Welcome again to Dr. Darius Health Place. Thank you for the support you have been giving us thus far in looking or viewing our videos and even sharing them. We want to encourage you that if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. Subscribe to our channel. We would really like the information we put out week after week to go to a broader audience. In this video, I am going to show you a simple, cheap way to take care of foot fungus. Foot fungus is called athlete's foot, and it normally affects the foot area, the toes, between the toes, under the toenails. Now, although it is more common in that area, it can also be found on other parts of the body. Now, on the skin, anywhere else on the skin, it is known as ringworm. And sometimes you go to the doctor and you get cream to put on the ringworm. Some doctor give you medication to take care of the ringworm. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and free method. For men, you would find the fungus in the groin area or on the upper thigh. When it is there, it is called jock itch. Although women do not have groins, but the fungus can also be found in that area. And whenever the fungus is there, obviously you would have to take care of it. Now, this fungus loves two things. Number one, it loves moisture. Number two, it loves darkness. So people with athlete's foot would want to keep the feet or the foot dry. You want to keep the foot dry, and you want to keep from wearing socks and shoes. All right, so you want the foot to be in the open as much as possible. Now, let's get into exactly how we are going to take care of this, how we are going to take care of this fungus. Now, firstly, what you need is a lemon. I have already cut the lemon in two. All right, so you need a lemon. You need to warm the lemon on the stove. Do not make it too hot because you are going to apply it to the skin. So you just want to warm the lemon on the top of the stove. You want to cut the lemon in two, and then you would want to apply the juice of the lemon to the foot. I am grateful for our helper here this evening who has volunteered to be our, how do they call it? Our experimental rat, so to speak. All right, although she's not a rat, okay? So what you are going to do is this, and understand this. Sometimes you may have cracks between the toes, and you have to pay attention to that because the fungus can all be in those cracks. And another place you really want to look at is under the toenail. The fungus gets under the toenail, and therefore it is difficult to treat them. Now, the lemon is warm, and the reason why you want to warm the lemon is so that with the warmth it would penetrate further into these areas that are very difficult to reach. So you want to, now this foot does not have athlete's foot, so I am not afraid to do it with my bare hands. But if you are doing it and the foot has athlete foot, you would want to put on a glove to protect yourself so that the fungus will not travel from the foot to your hand and thus get under your fingernails and create problems for you. Okay, so I'm going to begin to apply it to the foot. All right, and you pay attention, as I said, to the toes and the toenail. Make sure you get the juice all under the toenail, and you are going to take every every one of them. All right, take your time and get it inside there. Just tell yourself you have all day. All right, so you get all the toes on top and beneath. And then you want to pay attention to between the toes. Most likely you may have cracks. So you want to get the juice. Now the lemon cannot get between there, but you want to squeeze out the juice on top and let it flow down between the toes. And you may want to gently massage the area to make sure it gets between the toes in the cracks, so that any fungus, hiding there will be destroyed. Now, why use lemon? If you would do some research, you would discover that no germ, bacteria, or fungus will survive in the lemon juice. The lemon is acidic to the taste, but it's alkaline to the body, and therefore it will destroy all viruses, all funguses, all bacteria, thus helping you greatly. All right, so again, you just take your time and have fun doing it. Don't be in a rush, and you can do it a few times, and believe it or not, you will discover that the itching that comes along with the athlete's foot will definitely move away as the fungus perishes in the atmosphere of the lemon juice. Now that's it. Clear, simple, free. No medication to take to go through your entire system to get out here. Lemon juice will do the trick. Try it and you will thank me. Just put it in the chat. Say thank you, Dr. John. So until we meet again, subscribe, click the notification button and share this video, and let's take the gospel of health to the world. God bless you and have a wonderful day.